Good everybody, this is a new video topic for each month that we're going to be doing now, and it's basically to show you some of the trades that we've taken on Precision Perspectives, which is our daily video trading newsletter service, our subscription service. Now guys, just so you are aware, for anyone who's not been on it before, once you're Precision Perspectives members, this is what you get. You get all these different options, different PB contributors, and different options for what the categories are. Here's the PP itself. It shows you different videos and different subjects. We send out emails as soon as these have been produced so that you can go in and watch them. It opens them up to comments and whatnot, so if I click on this one here, you can also see that there is any comments that anyone's got in there on any of those particular trades. Now enough about that, let me show you a couple of trades that we've taken this month by some of the team members, and you can see at the end of the video the outcomes.
Hello, Han speaking. This is the Euro GBP chart, and I just looking to long this pair, and all the reasoning within this range and is already discussed in my video called Enhance Your Chart Reading Skill Part 2. There's a detailed explanation how I'm reading the chart from a monthly chart down to the daily. So this is the chart I'm stalking for a long time, looking for a swing trade. Now the chart presents me this opportunity. First, we can see the trend is already formed, making a higher high, making higher high, making higher low. So this is a really early stage of an uptrend after the breakout of the big range. And we can see also the moving average 10, 20, 50, 200 trending up, pushing to the upside, and also price pulling back towards the top of the trading range, and also present a really bullish candle yesterday. So that's why it is a combo long trade setup. First, what I can see is that pulling back into the buy zone as well, between 10 and 20, a bullish candle in the buy zone. Plus, this is above the top of the trading range. And also, if I check the high of yesterday, 8607, which means it will be my entry point as well. So once the price, if the price does break the high of yesterday, it will breaking back up above 8600.
Hi everyone, Nick here. Just want to give you a bit of an update on this Aussie Swiss trade, which is now much closer to triggering. So first did a video on this last week, and in fact when I did the video the lower high was here, and so I must have done the video right about here somewhere. I said I was looking for a lower high to come in to place the order. So now the lower high has very much come in. I can move that line from there down to there, which now becomes my stop loss. Entry is now for a break of this line. It's actually really nice that it's just touched it and bounced off it again. My order is the absolute low, which is actually this touch over here. So if we just get precise and look at that, it's 85.51, and the current price here, the current low 85.54. So I'm a few ticks off triggering. In fact, that's the current low. The current price is actually 61. So we're around about 10 ticks away from triggering now as I speak. But even though I don't consider this the so we've already got 1, 2, 3, 4 nice touches. I don't consider this the fifth, but it is quite nice that it's kind of just bouncing off it ever so slightly on a very small scale. So got a really good entry, still really nice conversion indicators, really tight stop loss now, or not really tight. In fact, it's I think it's about 90 ticks, isn't it? So from 50. It's around about an 80 tick stop from here up to here, but it's tight in terms of much tighter than putting a stop loss here. And ultimately just got good reward to risk on the rate way down. If we just move up the time frames from the 240, so that was the 480 I was looking at. We could have a look at the 240 as well. Ultimately, you see the same flat level. Still looks good, but going up because it's really a 480 expansion. 960 looks good, converging on these lows. Nicely tucked into the sell zone. In fact, almost a little expansion, on a very small scale. Not really expansion, but nice little consolidation into the averages as they just start to fan out before pushing down. Really like the look of this. It looks really nice to the downside. Moving up to the daily chart again, we can see the flat level. We can see the building lower highs, just looking really good to the downside. And it's when we come to the weekly chart it starts to look particularly good. Recapping what I said last week, but here's our bearish candle, and if we break down through these lows, breaking down through the lows of that week, and just looking like we've got some good room to move to the downside there as well, and even the monthly chart looking good. So now order is live and just literally ticks from triggering. Just thought I'd get that video out to update you on how I'm managing the trade. It hasn't triggered yet. It does need to break down through the absolute low of this flat level, which is this low back here. As soon as it breaks that low, which is not very far from doing, I will be in with a stop above this high and looking for a 1-to-1, then a 2-to-1, and then we'll see. Hope it helps. Happy trading. Speak soon.
So guys, how's first trade, or the first trade of these videos? We'll have a look here at Euro Sterling to see how it's actually panning out as we speak at the moment. You can see here we have the candle that I was talking about, the entry above the high and stop below the low, and you can see now what it's been doing so far. Obviously moving very, very well, a very profitable trade indeed, and yeah, making money from that one. The other one we looked at was the one that Nick put out, and this was just a couple of days ago actually, so not too long ago at all. And the level that Nick was looking at here was he was looking at the 480 for an expansion short. Now if you don't know what an expansion is, that's probably because you haven't been checking out our content for quite some time. But here's the trade, as he said, as it breaks the low. This was our entry, this was our stop, and you can see once again a very, very good move, and it's still continuing to the downside, looking like it could go a lot further. But guys, the reason I wanted to show you this, and the reason we will be introducing this monthly take on a couple of our trades, is really just so that we can show to you guys that we are real traders. You know, we are walking the walk, we are taking these trades ourselves, we are calling these markets moving before they actually occur. We are real traders, guys. If you want to know more, click on the link below. Feel free to join us on Precision Perspectives. The subscription fee is a very nominal amount. And, you know, check out some of our webinars and whatnot to learn more about these trading strategies and how you can learn how to trade with precision. I hope you have a fantastic trading week and a fantastic trading month until the next PP video comes out from us on the free newsletter. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye for now.